In this video, we will learn how to give feedback on Microsoft Excel. So let's start. Open your Excel sheet and go to the File tab, then click on the More option, then click on the Feedback. Here you can see the feedback to the Microsoft. This classify your feedback in three types. So first you can give the compliment, second you can give report a problem, and third one you can make a suggestion to Excel. When I click the first option, give a compliment, you can see here what did you like. You can mention here what did you like in Excel. Okay, you can include here screenshot also. Just click on this box and here the screenshot is added. This is a current Excel sheet screenshot is added here. If you want to upload the particular file, just click on this option and you can browse your file from your computer and you can attach here. Okay, in third way, here you can see the may we contact you about your feedback. If you mention here yes, the Excel team will contact you. Okay, and enter here email ID, then click on the submit. Okay, I just click on the back option, and the second option, report a problem. You can mention here your problem. So here you can what went wrong, you can mention here your problem. Same as here you can also include the screenshot and you can upload the file here, and you can mention the yes to if you want to receive the call from Excel team. Same as enter here the email ID and click on the submit. I just click on the back. And third option, make a suggestion. If you want to give the suggestion to Excel, just click on it and enter what can we do better. So enter your suggestion, same as include the screenshot, upload file, and if you want to contact from Excel, so just click on the yes and mention email ID and click on the submit button. I just click on the back. Okay, this is a way you can mention your feedback to Microsoft Excel. So if you want to dialog box this resize, just click on this arrow and click on the resize option. So you can easily resize this, and if you want to move this dialog box, just click on the move. You can easily move anywhere. Okay, and if you want to close, just click on the close. So that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.